Alright, assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to Pepe video update. My technical target is met like a boss. You won a 19% trade. Congratulations. Pat yourself in the back. And if you need calls like this, I do have a private sector where I can give you more calls, which I do technical analysis on my own. So again, message me, reach me out to join if you want to join. And I do take very few people inside there, and I'm going to show you some agreements. If you want to agree and join, that's up to you. So yeah, this was another classical call. I do hope, even if Pepe is moving to the downside, this channel, and if you just found this channel right now, you have to follow the channel, because once again, I'm providing value. And just like I talked to you in the previous videos, that for me, Pepe moved down, made a bear flag, and the bear flag is looking to drop down. Very, very, very perfectly played out. So once again, 9 out of 10 scenarios have played out. So the question is, what is going to happen from here? Now I do see a little bit of a pattern still continuing to be made, and if we had a small pattern right here, which is a pennant, so perhaps we might be looking for the lowest price level, which is going to be 8,800. This is where I do believe you have the next support level. It doesn't mean you cannot pump back up and then drop down. I don't know if there's any pump that can happen, to be honest with you. Some people are going to say, oh, it's going to pump or something. But to me, I still want to say that 8,800 is the place where I want to see if the support is going to be held or not. Okay, the 4-hour time frame still shows that we can go down. Now, how do I know this? Because you do have almost like a very bearish candles here printing out, which does show a move to the downside. And if you want to pump a little bit back up, then you need to cross above here. You cross it, you hold it a little bit, and then you can go back to backtest the EMAs. And I'm going to tell you where you might end up coming up to backtest the 10, the 20, and the highest you can go is to the 55, get rejected to the 55, and then drop all the way to the downside. So the EMAs are going to be providing as an important valuable lesson. Now for me personally, it will be more, because you're already down to this support. You're very, very close to that support, and if you touch that support, maybe bounce off and go back to the 55 EMA, and that's where I do believe you can actually have another earning opportunity, and that's going to be from there and probably there, maybe a 28% move up, a 30% move up. People get bullish once again, and then finally drops all the way down. Now keep in mind, there's a pattern that I also showed you, and that pattern shows that Pepe is going to go to the 558 price level. We're sitting at 10,000, so maybe another 50% drop is still on the way for Pepe. And be very, very careful in this regard. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.